Welcome to this month's Nature's Calling. I'm Lucas Bond with the Missouri Department of Conservation. Holiday shopping season is in full force, and if you're looking for that fun nature-themed gift, be sure to stop by one of Missouri Department of Conservation's nature shops found in nature centers around the state. Nature shops offer a surprising array of recently priced gifts. Some of this year's Nature Shop hot sellers are A Paddler's Guide to Missouri, Missouri's Wild Mushrooms, Cooking Wild in Missouri, and the 2020 Natural Events Calendar. Also, it's important to remember that permit card holders get a 15% discount on all Nature Shop items.
A hunting or fishing permit makes a great stocking stuffer. It's something a lot of people don't think about, but they go on sale December 1st and they make a great Christmas gift.
These items and much more can be found in any nature shop, nature center, or online at mdcnatureshop.com. It's that time of year again to pick out that one special Christmas tree to help you celebrate the holiday season. When you're out looking for that one special tree, be sure to remember these tips. Make sure you get a freshly cut tree. To test freshness, gently shake one of the tree branches. It is normal for a few needles to fall, but if an excessive amount of green needles fall, it is a sign that the tree is not fresh. Put the tree in a safe spot. Be sure to place your tree in a secure stand and away from high traffic areas and things that put out heat. Be sure to check all the lights to make sure the cords are not worn or frayed, and never leave the home or go to bed with the Christmas tree lights on. Lastly, one of the most important tips to remember is to make sure your Christmas tree has plenty of water.
It's important to water your tree every day so that it doesn't dry out and become a fire hazard. The first few days you're going to water it a couple gallons, and after 3 or 4 days it's going to absorb less water. You may give it a gallon or half a gallon each day.
If you follow all these steps, your Christmas tree should last through the holiday season. After the holiday season is through, why not give one last gift to nature by recycling your live Christmas tree? Live Christmas trees make great gifts for fish as habitats in ponds and lakes, and they make wonderful homes for birds and small animals.
The trees, when you put them in your pond or lake, provide habitat for the fish, places for them to congregate and forage and find food, places for them to have cover and hide out, and also great places for you to fish in return.
Another option is to place the tree in your backyard to offer cover for wildlife, or you can place it under bird feeders to provide nesting locations for birds. You can learn more about nature shops and Christmas trees at mdc.mo.gov. Thanks for watching, and remember, nature's calling. Get out and enjoy Missouri's outdoors.